Bueno, tubeta na mbere kuatana batu kiri mubango yuku ketu chokera kiri siasa tia youth because for the longest ayuthi ni bonekete utumiro na njira yewitithia banking kathine ki siasa na bo bahati obakero bara atongeria baru yo lakini kuringana na mantu ya wita ni aka youth bari realize ribo atongeria baru ari because Sifuna is one of the young people bara bonekete witabona ne okulokira kuye koni ayuthi wenzao na kaiteneka kinya baraba kuoneka kiri misemo ni siasa ni ayuthi bakamatite placards ayuthi bare beno rituburiku kiri siasa cia mwaka twitite yo 2027 because 2024 ni boba etre streetine finance bill irateanirwa kaiteneka badu iba uchiande kidina na mbere ne muno kenda kuona iba uchondera kanya kiri utongere bukeya but after finance bill iro teyanirwa ya koti ya youth ba yukirie credit ya maandamano yara because barabare rutero ODM bobonekanire uketha bonene kiri thirikari ira boita broad based government but plan ya youth imbi mwaka twitite rigare kibindi kiki kugukia ki pawant ni mwate wa mafuko na mwate yuko na unu yemin mwe ya miate ile kwendo ni mafuko ni 400 grams sliced rigana kurinya mwate yo brown sliced kuina oven fresh ya white and brown kuina kadogo ya white kana sliced na kuina county fresh kadogo na pia kuina toasty nyo ni 400 grams na yo mwate nyo na muro kabisa no tiro na family yaku nibo kuiriro mwate yo na okay kwithira nukwenda kumika onda ni wethira ukarandia abo kulukira namba ya thimo 0722372315 872-315 ukethira uki place on deku ukaya mwate iro kwenda ywa mafuko na yo kaitangwa na njira wengwa ira wenda kwithira ukiitirwa mwate yu either wina kiatho wina skuru eku na mafuko wata kufail because mwate iro bamenyene mbere bru unma me mwate iro ndamenya maisha ni yakwa mwate ya mafuko na tuici mwate mafuko so bici mwate uni abo akoi mwate ya mafuko iro menyere mwate ya mafuko mofat
back in
20
I guess about the 2 now. Yeah.
Adrian.
Yes, sir.
When is the first time wa menyere mwate ya mafuko?
Only since childhood. Nterenkiona mzee akija mwate ya mafuko.
Wow.
It is a brand that we have lived with. Na
for the longest.
For the longest. It is the actually I believe it there is no else mikate bekawa imafuko wake. Yeah.
Wow. So we want to kwenda broga kwenda nukwenda kumika onde ku ringa thimwe 0722 872 315 and onto mafuko is take pride in the brand you take home ukawirirwa na family yaku tuchoke ni Ciacene tush ayuthi bera wani atongere baro uyo na mwana siasa wende yake nda witike ngathi ya kisiasa ni ayuthi atumera gumwitithia after witia ngathi ayuthi baraba kaura kiri scene ya utongere bwawe antu babethe bena plan next year.
Okay, ingoti kiankile respond in a manner that way ikethroe educative ke youth betu omere because youth betu batwikite ni bo aringingita for the longest time lakini at the end of the music, at the end of the song patikwenda go in front as part of the sound siri kuma ke the speakers na nkigojo ni atiri we as youth to the structured taira twititeja bogi we don't sit down and structure ourselves in positioning ourselves. The biggest problem our energy itherwo i short lived mbona jatu itherwo twi sanguine type yani tukaringaringa mpi and become comfortable thaa iria Moffat atonya gitine na Moffat no atonya gitine because hatumire youth because nene youth ibo stepping stones. Maybe Moffat at his position akiamua tutumire youth turinge campaign alina plan that these people the same energy they will put the same energy kembio. Moffat etarea these people are no longer there. Be very comfortable that be revitre Moffat. But particularly go take initiative go sit now at the position that Moffat is there to negotiate for the youth that imbiongwa tukwenda thaa ici nandi because you have gotten igyo ndakwira atiri munene ndakwira oni there are things that narua ntenda go take so serious. One, political promises. Two, political expectations that anke your mindset na your resources are onto these are human beings. Na maybe their plan with you iko be it. Kwa woni kira direnge going forward because 2027 your youths are structuring themselves. Tena ikundi be youth bira bingi bitida bina formula or a constitution that will hold them. Ichida che mostly short termed. For example, badi the group 2021 ikiendaja kuringa sasa cha 2022. That is short term. You cannot to introduce it this mail we want Antonio Batoganize kari a short living. But no, the structure is very complete na hope yetu. Anyone that ukonda kuwork in this umbrella this is not a short living ni tuenda go produce a lot of antubaba ingi bara twijatri their connections, their ability youth centered.
So are you going on to kuleta Meru we want hidden behind mwanasiasa fulani kana kwe mwanasiasa obusukumite form Meru we want.
No.
Kana ni initiative yenu wingwa.
Meru we want an initiative yetu twingwa. But now we looked at possible things ila twingo tumbare settle on because we are a group that is not against the development. Nukumanya a lot of groups chumara ikende ipinga the sittings. Nukuelewa? Now we are coming with a different structure that will support whatever is being done by readers because we have them. We voted for them ikenda batwitiranguge. Naro te gitara korwabo. Ni gitana de rakwambire ko bagin. Ojo ibuto kwenda buthro bukari. Kiki keto endete withro kithithia. Na ogweri goodwill ekwe kwendera kuthithia ngana atia. So the mail we want structure is it far from elevating our youths na ko bring those minds chikinya ke the level that we feel that we are the current leaders because now togotora kura turatongeri in future lakini there is no one who has ever held a hand ugatiri ogona ndida kuirite maybe 20 years ago you are the future leader, you have grown to 20 years now, you are the current leader, no one is there now. We position but we not mwena ndiko claim whatever is ours because the future is now.
Wow. Moffat, youth assembly.
Yes.
Idea youth assembly na yo because to na Meru county assembly. So idea youth assembly ina ya umire na maybe moroto yonu yu RMB.
Okay, concerning the youth assembly, we came up as youths with this common goal. Twasegera, one thing it is said in politics, siasa te antiganiro. You fight for your praise. And then as youths, for a long time, totuiri otumika vibaya ni wanasiasa. Bukeja and most of our youths kireki urana atwe ni what we get at the moment we are satisfied. So to karande tuona kiambere siasa te ndiganiro kiabiere mwana siasa ale priest ni ogoe the time ago tumira. So we want to change the rhythm. Tona we need to do something that will capture every corner of the county and beyond. though as for now it's the Meru we want, that is the Meru County. It's a Meru Youth Assembly, all 45 ones included. So Toria, what should we do? Tuajana the same ni. What our goals?
How many are you?
At the moment, I guess we have more than 3,000 members
In Meru?
in Meru.
Why? Okay.
But on leadership structure, we have allowed 110 leaders. Yes. So
A good number. 3,000 and 110 leadership. That means you have a voice.
yeah,
So after formation, initiative yenu since Rebo Ambiridi kuna mali imewafikisha?
yes, we are still pushing. One thing we want to get assured of, and what we want to assure members, again to come as youth, at the bargaining table, we must be included.
Table ireko.
Any political bargaining table,
At the county ka national level.
county and national. Anywhere youth bautarwa, we must be included. Tebiruga otwejo sabirwa. Twerwanga unago wakara wakara. Au biorugerwa, we must be there. We must be at the table. What we got to them then? We break the table. Mtu nede apisi yewe. Tukajoni.
Tush bra ki bret turekana na Meru we want kidogo. Uwe as a young person, ora dream kuromba iti elective either at the national kana county level?
Actually, dream, and I'm still dreaming on to dream lives on. Even if it is not live today, I'm aspiring in future ningoenda gwithirwa nkira antu betu bado 2037 wethirwa tira chwagithige MP within 2027 2032 2037 it won't be a walk in the park. I'll place myself kou kiwingo kiromba 2037 imenti no the MP nga kiromba 2037
So innovation 10 years from now.
10 years from now ikenda niki antu betu ibabati kwithirwa ri bakerimisha on the values cherindas na leadership iraba bati kwithirwa beno. So ntikwenda go preempt myself now pumara to wave our people without them knowing the value of leader and leadership. Only so whatever I do now, it's purposely civic education until people digest kintu kiraba bati kuona kimutongere, because we have been long to get our populists na politician that interprets different in leadership. To atara mturo in a wave maybe okwaria mono maybe okodithia kintu fulani we end up making a mistake in our society.
Yeah.
Na mistakes hicho naro chejete kwa collectively a clerk which was noticed 1963 naro nayo kugwithia nyomba, because if at all batwe za youth narwa itukwamwa kumara wametudhia civic education to our people pamenye what position brings what. Who should we take note kana imtore kutubati gwetia gintu fulani, because wetiri mantore ne gwetu na area hapa is a good example.
Yeah.
Okwe barabara imocha gwetu na itwire kugeraniro MP eja kagwatewe MCA eja kagwatewe, because our people are not elite kana antu betu patara litano atiri barabara ira chibati gwetu national government niriko barabara iri bati gwetu county niriko. What should we deserve kumage county level na national level? So oni nkeja ke siasa chako cha 2037 I want to have a group or maybe a following that understands position ira kurombari imbi bati kumaku people any antobaraba kedrole bena no range kumenya atiri. It is not about populism, it is not about the obvious politics itia shenanigans kana maybe tantrums cha 1 term 2 term about the value of position irao ni kwenda kuromba. That is why mpete ni new timeline ya 10 years, because 10 years inyoka amwa kuita one day to one person.
Uratongeri ni wea?
Kutongeri ntongangeri te mono kuma school maybe na era prefect in class 4 na ndoma class 8 and still school captain, football captain. Secondary I joined the positions bado, so kutongeri ntongangeri te na kansene youth rinda, so it's
tono tubwenda ene ku
no tubwenda na because I have always switched to kinyere a position that leadership is not about nara umite rangi kana yani kamrengo fulani karakejite. Leadership is the way value what you want to take back to the society. Na society is the way what we should expect from this leadership position igintu giki na giki.
Mofat, youth assembly yenu brenda kwithira buria tongire ba youth assembly boyo now kana ki group yenu yantu 110 kwina baraba prefer kuromba ite next year at least boom outside youth assembly sasa ingie kwa Meru County Assembly.
From the youth assembly we are literally manufacturing leaders, but tell ujo from today leaders baraba hweroa dina yongwa ere mashinani niko I personally 2027 inkuromba giteka MCA gotu in Goji West, and I've viewed everything go strategized, and I've went as a member of youth assembly in Bitokwaga, as a member of Goji West in Bitokwaga. We have been enjoying devolution for 15 years, but in those 15 years we tuagete no. So Ndauga, I'll study in the gap. I've analyzed everything, and I know what it costs to be a leader. Kuma mbejake county assembly, I know how to represent my people. I've been a leader. That's why we have several who are willing and to work to represent and to beto kufaitira and to ba the Meru County, not only the youth, Kenya our grandfathers or forefathers or mothers or fathers. Made one thing, Edward. Tugikura musiari akuthomithagia ene gintu kigo na gintu kiu ethairwo ene muno te muno wona ngugi. We are most of us to meet in a very humble background, so musiari aikuthomithagia kenda ri ukura okay elevated at least kinya wangoa utikethwo wina thina iwe ainayo na kinya wangoa mwiteko na u ntakene sindo. And I saw that dream will come true in me if I become a leader. Nuntu thina ire baukurukira I know, and I have a formula of how to ka ithiria.
Tush indonde pamoja barari group ne yenu ya Meru we want urende pamwe barambigire kuma kabota karite ndi bwibanga pomenya either group we in vision yo kariyo kana ba yokiri antapati kwa line vision tien
edu challenge reja ki mtu short sighted kana mtu una vision ya gitare kai he won't suit ke many formations sira china mindset a future na turiuga Meru we want tutiko force mtu akarago to ya kwithirwa ati atiko align with our agenda and our future plan. Menya kwe anto by presented nowadays, they want to live the current day. They want to live today. They don't want to mind rojo ko kedro kaliate. But now our society needs people who are very focused. Ikeja kwitha ko enjoy kaitana muthe tukuringa na tuthoma. But adugane, this is not our place. We need to go and see our place. Arabe entitled that their offsprings, paka kurira nariko, we can still be slaves. Na kira ke enslave our youth today, ikonde to live our current life. Consequences cha our current life, mostly in politics, china disloyalty mono. Because one, wajana roa ke tush, kaki edu, urenda mugate zira zimberewe. Utikwenda endwa kuritana ole onaonete mugate zweko. Utikwenda we present in future whether we go ka offer mugate zira edwa ko offer. So our mission as Mary want. Mission yetu iko in future that maybe in a sitting, itakuwa maybe kuna chief of staff mahali, kuna PS mahali, kuna senator mahali, kuna MP mahali. And this is not a short-term plan. So, okona antu baraba kumara naru edu, barimara because they are not comfortable with the future plan.
By the way, more group no radindite some section ya biashara ba kromone krimanda mana bakiwa bena maandamano yao.
Anko edu. Na anga respond that way outly.
Yes.
It was a very political shenanigan.
Yeah.
It was very political on too. The media, I'm sorry to mention, media but highlightly the comfortable people, but highlightly the demonstrators, because it is very political that anything that brings a cloud for a motive. To take one that we internalize to many, how is this happening? No kwera. Ora arunga mare arauga atikwenda thoko. Nuko gwata atienda ya thokone. Maybe nyati gura thokone. Bwe mokuru gura thokone. Nuko erewa. Kintu kira antu bara bako diabura ki make things clear. Kintu kira antu bara bako ba veges non tibo bako koma. Bara bako merete. Hapa kurega kiri location. Eguto some place. Paiko some place ikenda thoko yawe thithu ate upgrade. No kuelewa. So when I see someone who presents himself as a leader, akirunga mambere ara na kuringa such tantrum ndemo jokia mtu very wicked. Because one, ikyo igonda koiratire, along planned leadership nitainya patience. Na nitaiatire ondre expected mtu jora because karara indre na mob teka inyara mobilize teka nambi. Kara atirimire mob au ome county ome governor's office amwa kwalidio because he can never make any atumba ko make any meeting of himself. Iko right on na quite is okay because politics kuringana na perspective mtu na batiko dia because lakini I expected that person as a reader. Reidiantu atri value ekwithro atri pen additional market. Value ekwithro atri even if hiccups iji chadha iji chakurirokieto ikethro irio, we are not still comfortable na market iratu in the current century. Ndre expected edro mto kubanga industry demonstrations itidero che important rather than parabatigo present maybe a written document kuromba maybe a different location because the location but the majority 90% actually nuje doko koromone antu baba ingi mona the people who are there maybe bataki nyenyekana nuko kwata kwau arabati iko bona ile rabomba kuandika maybe a memoranda bakiona ile county government the position iko anda ko bari dokitra yani itibanganira bonga ongero kana badidiro maybe better. Not you have seen a lot of markets anto bakiumaru o me barabara ndoko ekairiko. Lakini this one mutuma has chosen a different path. Aba ikire nyanto ko inya shade ndiboga. So nande kira barago maira ikodro ali yani the position pakoriro kitro. ite worth yani kulingana na bowe kulingana na bo because I don't agree with that one. Oni ndire expected mutongere ora rungiara kulinga etuma to meru we want actually to meru we want kari meru we want and he didn't lied na nini yetu na
bomurita
tomurita aka iti meru we want nuko because batu meru we want to very focused na tukaja kuona gwe kanyamaka koli ndene because otumba kumbira atiri meru we want focus ikona a better meru it is that I to enjoy demonstrators be against development a market. A meru we want to take na mture we short sighted turenda mtu at least wina ukumenyari thoko eje value kareta generation singana because currently unongo meonja Adriano lakini there will be my generation noko kwata my generation nyomba tiko tha nkithu kana mono oni buga daily atire edu na arua oni nyankaga kibaruka ndeta mjengo noko kwata na ngeta mjengo na kajuri ngaboga mwana nkaona mbeche chiakwa chako Jesus sin lakini there is a generation coming behind me that generation yo onimpenda mono ko umeshepila life etikeje maybe gutamjengo maybe ko yani patri megenture ke a bet lady kana nyambe da batri ready pedre gento ke vele achievable noko kwata so na ndio ni focus ye kwa as a reader na oranchuze tago na meru we want kind of vision that I have always felt youth need a long term vision.
All right.
Yeah.
Mufat. Ayuthi bamureketo na bise tebui. Bambire se movement. Either movement iraya sukuma mtu fulani bwa kareka and then kumau tutona ayuthi mpichene. Eu ever again. Next year kirinde ike expected the young generation bachata way forward botongere buboero purapa kwenda na tongere bopatikeria ayuthi barerende because nya ayuthi bayekena patiringa akura
so far youths are not that ready, if I may say. Some are ready, but the majority are not yet ready. In a way, youth mtu ukamata a crowd. And it has always been that. Ito amba ya movement nega kwira njirene. But one thing I may want to request and ayuthi beto omero atora akiuga atire mpare ntuko emo etiuraga. Let's not the bado shillings ka some coins together. In most of the cases the nene atoreja the readers brought when abo bonye ayuthi either they can fit well in Gunism, they can fit well kirabune baikunda kegi kana as bloggers. In most of the readers tiakwiro enda iramo youth kenge either you will do blogging ka ugagorirwa ikombe wite ukagurane ko kathokie misemani others. But what I may request tusiumirie we chant away na twina dream what we want.
That was all we can say.
Yeah.
Now, tushikatwe yao kwa Gunism. Ntona mukuru akiuna nyumba ya muntu. Ntona mtu mukuru akiithi nkare muntu. Ntona mtu mukuru aikia maia. Ni ayuthi wona ayuthi kopongwa. They are fighting on top of a certain politician. Either they are hired or maybe kaba behind mwanasiasa fulani. Culture ya Gunism, especially Meru rachokere. Kanere ire Meru. Tukawe ya chokere because Meru nitu ire very peaceful na mtububu teoneka. But tuku kwina maandamano ini. Biashara chondeka ingawa. gakoromone utia antu baeta thokone because antu bokera interview bieta. So for how long a youth atumirwa ni a siasa ku align interest yao, na at the end of the day muyuthi either akarathwo, muyuthi either akaringwo na ia, kana bomba turi banja chemwiri tikarothira, and then that is the end of the story. Uwo ukua utire achiari murio kana wito kwandamana stray bullet yokuringa future kwe kuthirira au ayuthi baka kinya mwisho yo tumirwa ni a siasa ri
there are some sad moments nkurukaira as a youth. Na our readers atongere betu ibo batumite youths betu bakinyete na edu meru tetwira na such demonstrations, picketing, goonism. The circle readers baratu inabona arua is the same people who have brought this thing kiri youths betu nonto watega tumiri kurari na ethical politics. Very ethical na very healthy politics. Tatatiri kedre yedu kwa aliarea, if I'm not interested nkarunga manyuma na are para be interested be front I won't bother edu and the manifesto. But there is a diversion of impunity ezerete nanto abone teatri. Meru is a very peaceful area. Na right now decisions irame ingira gitawa nyuma iragitawa out of sober minds. Anko iredu atongere babetu ibo bari bachoketie youth betu monka baka beggar. So I'm sorry to mention beggar because a beggar is a person who naturally utikomba into fulani na kodidro, lakini temi spelt migwetete aja nontu mutongere thairia aringaringirwa mpya atonya gitine atichoka ategato ayuthi baraba muringire campaign amwa koba setro kana koba position as he had promised nuko kwata. So those people lives with bitterness nantu bara ibona bakiamua kuambiria kumura the following day na kwamua na ndikuthuka imichemeno mbere ethero mouth talk until na ndene kinyete nyankomba kumugera iga muringa mutura mutwe imefika hapo. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu they are promising a lot of things na bakinyara elevate bakoruru mbio. So these are the same people bakuretie shenanigani na kwero kwali na value leadership that mutongere na alina liri kidogo atongere betu what they are doing currently patumete monkanya nto baganya at respect no gwata nonto kaigo mutongere arongi mali fulani akirumana outletly. So nande inya yuthiororo na kirumi kiuje gakiomba kuthwa kinene imono gya kuga muchemanio ne it will no longer be that way. Aka kiuga muchemanio nonto ke yakuthwa mutongere na gukiuga no te action egujukwa inya onde na no ndithiate mutongere okona ketha beta assembly indikana kwe time ere IBC ere BBI kana ere mbio ikwale na kuchokanira gukuingira thiri mwinyo gatiri mwinya begera na nyite no komberewa. So this is a culture graduated from leaders. We watch from the leaders bila bagatiri manao na ikeja kuthwa mutongere na kugera giti mtu atikona every hard na ro kwaja iga agerani of which it is very bad na culture ndiromba murungu ayuthi betu bara tuguta tugi internalize abo kona the value in leadership culture tebugi because etiga kironda gikira na muno community one ukagwatwo na rwedu mucheri ukwa kethro farmer ebidi ndinya ng'ombe nokogwata ukalingwa risasi na ru inyoka gito kuguru tutira gwenyo ukwa mucheri alitonya kairi kethro impempe aralimite akendia ikenda go machibitari kintu kira gyatumite itara 500 eje nyama mio kwa ringi amwa okura nkamatira mbole mbenikire muru angakuria 500 you could get from there nokogwata thairia wetara ora maybe kwambia gustunwa recklessly kwi mwana uringirwa igara wewe gwitite innocently kona how leaders behave nuko gwata it is a very shaming thread na ankoromba youth betu nontu itutikirite kwa task inatongeria baba tukomba ku build a structure na ikyo nontu tukuga atiri tukaigino any formations iri kuthithwa youth formations ichithirwa chi structured in a manner that atiri kethira bwamua gutongeria bwamua gusupport mofat karaina mofat nthiguru mofat naburire down kira babu bati kwithirwa akienda kuma kibabu na mofat aburira down mweya tamata msichenu batu mofatire oteto trima tweringa gituma batu kethira social media kana kethira in ground ogo trima ya one on one to trima ya arine antu tukiringa tukereza antu betu valie kuringira u lakini youth betu thairio kona wero ugwe rojo itukona jaka tukaurwa bwibange please my youths ankuromba tu youth betu itu avoid such meetings because this person won't even be there mtujo areje garden ni bodyguards police officers angale police ena sairina are lakini babu yo forefront na are boko gara na maiga muchiari no kwa nani na mutongere obire mbagu itabi nene nyake tho akuiziate alijaga itangirije mambolezi that story ends there kwa woniro bare akwa edu youth betu bathomete na kithomo kiria thaici kirio youth betu bakenda gutumira kithomo kia kugera maiga kururira mutongeri at the end of it mutongeri ni opportunity ya guchwa batura tu opportunity tukianga maratasi nacha aparone the easiest opportunity iku investigate politics. There is no difference na onpe jeta kulingalinga mwali yao roba ngugie kwegera edu mutongeri ora thairia kwa mwa ku use all the resources ni opportunity ya guchwa kwa uecho opportunity je tuka casualties oni nkia advise ayo dibeto tuka casualty buru cha politics buru.
I agree.
To add on,
Yes.
what Tush is saying, as youth, got to position in a way, mutongeria jako atuika imofati mbejete. I have that question. Mofati ogwe dene yetu kiambere ikwaga ngugi. That's why we are very idle. Na ikyo tutumirwa vibaya. Dene yetu ingi ni watu ni major development ugato ingiriate ethero nibona memorandum bume ontoto supportingania oni wa kagitatea oni wa gatugitira this how agatetheria ku create job oni wa agatetheria ku to empower because the money that is used to mobilize ayuthi better kugera maiga or the goons not because not all youths batumairo kugera maiga the same amount of money can empower quite a good number of youths bakaendelea bagateteka.
Ipo ntumo fatu kuria atiri kwina mtu wetu Sifuna.
Yes.
Sifuna is a young person. He is 44 but he is youthful. Kibaba ndeba kuromba iti na mtu chia lainite. Kei tere kinya re antueko antubaba hivi barale behind one of their own. Kana bando ayuthi batira amua which way to go.
So far, youths but I make that call, but I get to that call that it's our time. So, but we have all seen it. The youthful leaders, but to the likes of Akina Didinyoro, they have delivered.
But Didinyoro bando yeah, Kenya watu chielewa.
Skiza.
Yes, finish.
They have delivered more than expected. But now the problem comes here. Na kina Sifuna, kina Didinyoro, kina Babu. They all don't they don't not know imbiongo bakwenda muntu kinya Sifuna ate convinced if he is going for the presidency or the senator wengo ate umeimbi na imi end up even not running
next year. Tush, Sifuna, Ayuthi Babure, they are leaderless, but they're not tribe. Na we otu neo champion right chao be yiti amwe be kintu kimwe. Could Sifuna be the leader? Ayuthi baratura kuromba no nekane? Is he the perfect one?
Edu, Sifuna is a politician.
Meaning?
Meaning, any politician who realizes an unfocused community, because youth is a community, he will land on them.
So he is taking advantage?
Thank you. I never wanted to use that taking advantage. Because one thing, where was Sifuna when these people championed that they are left out? Where was Sifuna? He was a reader, right? Mm-hmm. At that point, did Sifuna realize this youth? He didn't. Until they formulated and charted their way. That is when we have seen Sifuna. So Sifuna is an opportunist. Like any other politician, he has decided to align himself with the readerless grouping. Because of other groupings, maybe Kinamama, maybe they have their reader. Maybe the other communities are having their reader. So Sifuna has decided to ride on what? And let me tell you this, and I'm sorry to say this, Sifuna has totally lost a lot of youth opportunities. And I believe if youths could formulate their own way, independently, without these leaders who are now faking that they know the issues that the youth are going through, the youth could be very far. I wished youth Uraba demonstrated they could come up with a structure, maybe a party, without, I'm sorry to mention, there's the obvious monkeys in the forest. Without the obvious monkeys we have always seen, because these are the same people who are still our problem. Natankuba, they are still our problem. Nalwa build sila nyinge, tiro ya chika swedro, because their interest in the house is satisfied. They don't care. Or those bills will interfere with the youthful minds, with whatever economy. They don't want to care. Nande onda ndawishete cannot support Sifuna, because I know Sifuna is riding on something. He is riding on people. Yani orono 3 meter ngondu witena mulethi. Ukamwa wicho kaniliti karemda. That is what Sifuna is doing. Na antubaba ingi mbize baka defy that one, but political opinions mtu na chances we ole akona ipo mubaterete. Onda awishi tenu kona generation is ira cheta Gen Z. Gen Z bara ingi build their own structure. Maybe a political party because they had mass everywhere. Their own political party. Tukaamua ko avoid these all people who have been our problem. Because bageta assembly te abeti assembly non to assembly is good for them. But the assembly non to their issues the naira nyingi chiruma assembly. No kogwata. Their dissatisfactions cha governance cha the room only actually mantu unajara ingente brema nyaruto nke bilira chokoroka. Brema MP okwa, because MP okwa tande the public participation to agree on what to present. No wata. Ono brema na ron to ruto kira weta aka sign bill ene kurukire public participation ne vetro assembly kwa constitutionally bill ene kurukire whatever is needed constitutionally ekudidi ate kumeka bill daire MP kwa ke jama adriantu magana 5 close friends atiba analyze rete finance bill urekari pame sign in. That is our problem. That is the person we should blame. Tinya Ruto. Tinya president uroiku. President kire abati gutaka ke bill ne kurukirite the structures constitutionally akami sign as a bill. Noko kwata. Kona nde oni mtoja sifuna ndre aringi kurengi ombeka akalimen ke the monkeys. Those same monkeys. Youth baka make their own structure. Baka chant their own way. From grassroots, monkaki national level. At least that way, youth barenge through still their problems kiomba kodidiyata kwa addresswa. Lakini as we speak today, nyasi funore atonya. He will still pick the masters within him. Iboba kendra kodidiyata. And these masters are established people still. What you want to barawaka na sifuna naro? They are still MPs. They are still senators. These people are the same people we have been all along. Petu ira job opportunities, angatoa create job opportunities. Because these are the problems we have always been saying each and every day. Youth ibarajete a solution. Youth for youth ira a solution in tongi mono. Nuko wata. These people gentokambe jeta realize they won't calm the problem. Parenda kuja tuko to singira the problem to kabakorokia that problem remains there.
All right. Mofat Sifuna no more baraba ingira Rigathi Gachagua. Now from what we have heard, abunge na senators they were given money kuinga Rigathi Gachagua. But the Sifuna ke area tuira na participate na ngire Gachagua but ai tayari kulitandia no ngwe simply because Gachagua na admitite no wekire William Ruto gitine 2022 so akawa very hand kwa beli the same president urekire 2022 so if abunge bana senators they were given something that means kuna broad based government ida ya na then the late Raila Odinga na William Ruto so okay akudira ibaba werekiri masters bo kuinga one of them who is Rigathi Gachagua. Are we sure Kinyaba Nkero Tongeria they will not play the same script in future?
Allow me to use the saying Toshauga. Maruke no jara mito yo eko differ. In a way, we have seen it all. Kinye our MPs from the mountain from wherever, the senators, they are seeing 2 term, but okana kuina 1 term. Their sins are cleansed. What they can even retain their seats from the 1 term side. You understand? What we come to, aina kala dhoki. Just indie ni ate yakobua. What we can itorona ina me this 2 term side. Ja 1 term le that formula occurrence me ya jau torona eko. Okay, the only person as for now ngoetekia I've seen him do something na he has a vision, though not nationwide, but I've seen he has a vision. He is only one man.
Who?
And he is from Embu, Kenjava, Wakagoto. Nothing else, no one else.
Wow. Now let's finish this with Meru.
Yeah.
Tush, Governor Mutuma is the youngest person. Urawe ikiri CIACA county level. Then kuna the former governor, Peter Munya. Kuna former CS, Mithika Lintore. Kuna former governor, Kawira Mwangaza. Antubaba, I feel Mutuma is a non-starter. Otigin to maybe with in the past, siasa, and they feel it kikyo if kide atebo. Then you go back with Rari Arutongeri in Uba County. Why don't people, but believe young people can rise be itine na bo maybe ba itia haya kri national politics but turenda kuremera miro wao itushwe ya no MCA tushya tebuile tine ki kwina mtu ungiwe na more experience ukuluka tush tumuyukie turite tush tuchoki mtu riko tuchoki mtu why are we living in a world ya siasa one feels if I'm not the one then there is no someone else.
Endwa kwera gintu kimwe nankera nya miru ambira miru beto atiri one thing it is the high time and baba badatom panelize raw I don't know them well but agree with reality that atiri elevation ya mutuma to think ya elevation that took yani mitaga process yonko na godly process. I don't want to know how others will interpret it lakini yanko ire itware na governor Peter Munya na itirengo wiko lingana na igitare yawe na uwezo bwawe na potential wara kinya iko ari na governor Kirito Murungi na itirengo gewe na position ira yagi itonere matunda ya kulingana na uwezo bwawe iko ari na senator Rinturi mayanka muta senator au Rinturi non to ko agriculture minister tibio to rip from that position na itirengo gewa senator na barabona iba ameonere ni I didn't see anything na itirena uwezo bwawe but is the high time antu baba bere watiri millions ngochogere do even the could have been a stagnated politics sana either they are afraid or maybe but in a self-esteem that is what I will always say aspirations church that che within our family na clan bakomenya they don't feel that they can because ikaja kudhura munya na elevate ta national level naru antiko na tujabanani bagichoka gocho itinare pero iriro o gikanini kau antujaba jaba musaria after beko elevate to be finance minister pobone nande hawabale batikudere ariko tuna problem na atongere betu betu gani atiri it is only our community it is only my clan who can support me no kwata na be so greed that atiri batikwenda ku accept reality man tura cha ko happen currently mutuma to think within 1.5 youthful mind ewe oni nkimetaga nituonetie how youth can robi no kwata ndedi ignore a lot of things because ndenda kutaka mutuma as a leader ntiko ndeko as a politician because maybe no the norms sira tumenyerete gutara chori politicians ka leaders if I quote it because tutara published na maybe antu bakomba kurumana mono maybe antu populist noko kwata mutuma to think on mutegete as a leader a person who can manage something to completely bring some change noko kwata ndio mutaka oni urako ako move ground because this is an narrative ira to erere kwa analyze key leadership to ateka oni Adriano Drumbo command how many people lakini deba command maybe because they love my insults they love my dirty politics noko era or maybe they love my comedy as the other one no kombera but it is the high time nande tomwe ku evaluate leadership from politics naru wateka kangata irungo kangata is a leader irungo no umara bokara nyako me crowd ukeda ne governor very true yani the populist but wajira ki management is a very good person no kwata it is the high time nande antu betu bambere go choose Mwenye tuomba kudhari onde tuatura Ciacene. Witirima mtu ankaya jana good example with the impeached one. Mtu akudhurwa lakini atira realize still he is still on podiums ne ngari neguru akarajeka gitia yani IBC eko mudhoma because oni kwegetu ke mpata a lot IBC ego kudhoma azarida edu otebati kumara kaire go turingire tuma What you go sit down, you know your value, you know position you hold, what it brings, no kamenya atiri imbi anto be expected from me. Te kumara kairindo kuga mofati na mbete kondumanga angandi no gwanga ngani barale ngani na non supporti anganga no, politics is over the moment you go where declared as a leader. Nuko so oni naro ndetaga motuma to thinke nyati populist ndemutaga as a leader that every compost na motuma on to mind mtura wejirite nau okolinge tuma as far as it gutene nango gibwaga nyake to yedu baraju nyano chai because we have seen edu naro to utrimana na Adriana to kunyana chai mofati akandison atije maybe nya background yetu tutura kunyana chai ate onde riuga atre edu
tokidriki
these old people, these old leaders iba give way to youthful minds bakona jaba komanda Meru County bakona jaba komanda Meru votes because they have been sitting bakiona na yaje kare bebo the bargaining tamita tanandi yani jabora tiria ko bargain la Meru that if they are not in the scene then that is not Meru. Ndrengiromba mtu ja Peter Munya. He was a national icon. Munya expected on 2027 eja kondomba kitika president. Nonto re last time 2022 awugera kitika county ikenini mono kiwe. So I don't ntiko era nikiri kira nene kairi. Mtu ja medika rentore track record dewe. He is not a reader. Midhikarenture inyakero present whatever he has done. Kume MP, kume Senate, kume Agriculture Minister karato agithiri Anthony. Na to thaithia Jameru thaiji kuna nya biure bibingi mono ko mutongere omba gutonya nyakare go top interest CS. Nonto no gwa tukende fertilizer kairi.
Wow. More 14 seconds, please. What do you have to say about leadership when we talk about
As I sum up, ura mbumba kuga kumania giteke ang governor downwards koteke tekeri na batox ya mtu kama ende ya mtu that giteke we preserved no to bwako no you are there, you served itonia kila tonire, let others lead.
Simple.
We need fresh blood, fresh energy every day.
Wow. Thank you Adriano. Thank you Moffat, tunatupa kuona kanya. Na asante sana kiri barabo ndeba wataniritea abantu kuma thema mwankatha hii. Kithati babu tutithira tuina mubango yu. Na every morning make sure wina mwate yua mafuko kiri miatha yeku. Kendo tira we na family yeku. Nibu kiru breakfast imbea. Because wina mwate yua mafuko, it's a pride. Irome okamata waniti waku. Uri mutiari, uri kipenzi cha mtu no kamate mwate yu wa mwikiria na boka wirandruwa bure amwe. Together tutrimana orokiri nteto chia wero themo. Asanteni sana, budira buna tukwembea.
Mafuko Mubango joko kukekiri Weru TV na Weru FM ureterine Mafuko bread. Mafuko bread, take pride in the bread you take home. Mafuko bread.